This is the San Rafael Bridge. There it is. And you can actually walk along the bridge. I'm pretty sure it's quite safe. It's not much water. Kind of surprised. But yeah, suspension bridge. Looks like it's holding up pretty well. Wow. All right, gotta get going. Got a long way to go before we get to the canyon. This is Buckhorn Wash pictograph panel. It's amazing that these drawings still survive. What is it, 2,000 years ago? Let me tell you, the video doesn't do justice. These tower of limestone rocks are massive. Well, I got to the little Grand Canyon, and luckily I did find a really nice spot right at the edge of the canyon. There's a lot of people, even though it is on Monday, but I'm okay. You know, it's a popular place. I'm willing to share, so, but the view is amazing. Let me just take you along and show you what the campsite looks like. I got my tent set up, and also I have my sleeping platform inside a 4Runner set up as well, just in case if it's windy. I can always sleep inside just in case. But the forecast calls for, I think, the next couple of days. The wind should be fairly calm, the weather should be nice. We're looking at probably mid-60s to low 70s the next couple of days, so I'm gonna like it. Really enjoy this place already. What an amazing view. You can't do this at the Grand Canyon. I don't know, you can see below there's a river. I think that's San Rafael River. And here's my campsite. We're looking at maybe about 10 yards. Not a bad view. Not bad.
It's been a while since I left. Nobody knows where I went, but I think I found my place. Don't worry, I'm doing just fine out in the islands where the time goes a little more my pace. I've been floating coast to coast, Bahamas to Puerto Rico. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Just riding waves, 'cause I know no matter where the tide goes, the sun is on my face. Searching for treasures in my mind, I know I'll find it, 'cause the islands are showing me the way. I've been floating coast to coast, from Cuba to Mexico. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. Yeah. When I'm with you I'm home. When I'm with you I'm home. It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know It don't matter if I'm lost, because I know when I'm with you, I'm home.
Tonight, I'm gonna have my spicy Thai shrimp fried rice. One of my favorites from Trader Joe's. And to make this dinner even better, when you have a view like this. Absolutely stunning. Cooking with a view. Well, the sun is finally set. And my dinner is just about ready. Temperature is not too bad. It's only 59 degrees right now. Just perfect. How did you sleep last night, huh? Did you sleep good? Yeah? Did you sleep good? Well, good morning. It's day 3. Got my coffee. Today I'll be wrapping up from this area, heading to Moab, spending a few days over there. I want to check out a couple of trails. One trail's already been to three years ago when I was here. That was Onion Creek, and the other one is Chicken Corner.